In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam Remote Play not working or not connecting in just a few simple steps. If your games aren't streaming properly or you keep getting connection errors, don't worry. These quick fixes will get you back up and running in no time. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Restart your computer and your Steam client. It might sound too simple, but trust me, a quick restart often clears temporary bugs and resets your system state. Once both your PC and Steam have restarted, launch Steam Remote Play again and check if it's working. Still having issues? Let's move to Step 2. Use Task Manager to fully close Steam. On Windows, press Ctrl+Shift+S or right-click your taskbar and select Task Manager. Find the Steam process, click on it, and then hit End Task. This makes sure Steam shuts down completely. After that, reopen Steam and test Remote Play again. Next up, Step 3. Check for updates. Open the Steam menu, then click Check for Steam Client Updates. Keeping your client up to date ensures you have the latest bug fixes and performance improvements. Also, go to your library, find the game you're trying to play, and check if it has any pending updates. Sometimes the issue lies with the game itself, not Steam. Step 4. If you're part of the Steam beta program, you might want to opt out. Beta versions often include experimental features that can cause problems. To do this, open Steam Settings account, click Change next to Beta Participation, and select Opt out of Beta Programs. Restart Steam after making this change. While you're still in the Settings menu, head over to Remote Play. Here, you'll see an option called Enable Hardware Decoding. Go ahead and disable it. On some systems, hardware decoding can create compatibility issues and lead to lag or disconnections, so turning it off can make a big difference. Finally, Step 5. Check your internet connection. Remote Play relies heavily on a fast and stable network. Make sure both devices are connected to the same network and avoid Wi-Fi if possible. A wired Ethernet connection offers smoother performance and less delay. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, restarting Steam, updating your client and games, opting out of beta, adjusting your settings, and checking your connection, you'll be able to fix Steam Remote Play not working or connecting quickly and easily. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and gaming guides. Happy gaming, and I'll see you in the next one.